Today, we've got some simulated server sparks flying as Supermicro makes waves on the tech front lines. If you haven't been keeping up, Supermicro, a well-known name in the server and storage solutions sector, suddenly became the talk of the tech town. Now, what could have sparked this burst of attention? Buckle up, because it's expansion time, folks. Supermicro announced that it is investing majorly in its global footprint. Their massive infrastructure boost plan includes a new manufacturing facility in the USA and an increased presence overseas. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that means more storage, more servers, and essentially an impressive show of computational prowess. Now, why is this significant, you ask? For starters, this expansion is being interpreted as a strategic masterstroke aimed at capitalizing on the ever-accelerating demand for data center equipment. With the race towards AI and cloud computing reaching breakneck speed, companies worldwide are scrambling for servers like never before. Supermicro swooping in with increased production capabilities? Genius. Rumor has it, the company's expansion further aims to alleviate potential bottlenecks exacerbated by supply chain disruptions. Clearly, they have their ears to the ground and their eyes fixed on the future. Let's not forget to mention, their green initiative remains at the core of this expansion. Right in style with today's tech ethos, Supermicro is doubling down on energy-efficient designs. So not only are they pledging to help satisfy this explosive demand, but doing it while keeping their carbon footprint tidy, gaining extra karma points with Mother Earth. Of course, this isn't just a one-way street. Investors have their eyes peeled and are already buzzing with curiosity about how this would shape Supermicro's future on the NASDAQ. They're becoming strategically positioned to not only meet demand efficiently, but perhaps dictate market trends too. But wait, you know there's always a twist with corporate happenings. How this plays out on the global stage, with its nuanced trade relationships and regulatory landscape, remains an exciting question mark. Only time, and maybe competitive responses, will tell. So dear viewers, it's your turn on the airwaves. What are your thoughts on Supermicro's aggressive expansion? Is this the golden ticket to powering an ever-data-hungry world, or are there waves below the surface we should be cautious about? Are you placing your bets on them capitalizing on this server savviness? Drop your theories, queries, and feedback in the comments. Let's hash it out. I'm looking forward to reading your insightful takes, and maybe you'll spark even more conversation amongst us tech enthusiasts. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.